Here, to explain you operators and building expressions, I have already created a program to save time. Two integer values, x and y, have been initialized. You can just see that within one statement you can initialize multiple values also using commas. This is possible when same type of values are initialized. And within one line you can write two statements if they are separated by semicolon. And here is a new type of data which is Boolean data type, which is bool b, which means this store variable name, which can store either true or false. Here we have created an expression and a new operator has come in, plus plus. This is called the post increment operator. That means after this expression has run, then only the value of this particular variable will be increased. Okay, so we will be printing a result of this expression. Then another expression, we have written this minus minus as prefix. So this is a prefix operator. This will be decrement operator. This is increment operator. So this x will be decremented first and then other things will happen. And then we have printed n1. And this is a unique kind of operator. We call it a ternary operator expression, where this area is evaluated first, and after the question mark, whatever comes before the colon is true, and when this condition is true, then whatever comes after question mark happens, and if it is false, then whatever is after colon happens. Happens means this could be any other expression also, or setting other value also. This is just a conditional expression actually, and similar expression we can write using if statement, that will learn later. But here we have used this ternary operator syntax just to give a feel of a new type of syntax. Here let us run this program. Let us see what happens. It is trying to compile it. It has given the output 17, minus 11 and 1. There are 3 couts. There are certain warnings. We'll understand that what is a warning. See, in this one what has happened, this y value will not change. It will remain 5 here. So 5 into 2 would be 10. And 5 divided by 2 would be actually, 5 divided by 2 is how much? Would be, it remain, 5 divided by 2 would be 2.5. So this will be, this is an integer value. So this will not become 2.5, this will be 2 only. So this will become 20, because 2 into 5 is 10, and this becomes 2 only because this is 5 divided by 2 and numerator is just an integer, so this will become an integer divisor only. And then we'll add minus 5 to this. So 20 minus 5 is 15, and then added 2. So this value becomes 17. Okay? You can work it out again if you want. Here there is an interesting case, because this becomes 1 first, because this is minus minus operator and this is prefix operator. Prefix decrement operator, minus minus. So this will become 1. And then since this has already become 1, so this will be 1, because this is the first in the order of precedence of using operators. So this y will be 5, but it has become 6 now, because this postfix operator has been applied now. So 6 plus 6 will become 12, and this is 1. So minus 12 and plus 1 will become minus 11. And since it is minus 11, so n is certainly greater than x, because n is already 17 and x is 2, which has even become 1 now. So n is greater than n. This is true definitely. and this is a relational operator AND. That means both these conditions should be true, and n1 is less than y because y has now become 6, and n1 is minus 11. So it is definitely less than y, less than 6. So this combined condition is true. So if this combined condition becomes true, then the something before colon becomes active, and this Boolean variable, which can contain true or false, will become true. And true is printed as 1 using the cout syntax. It is not printed as true or false, it is printed as 1. Right? So that is why we get this kind of result. And this warning actually says y may be undefined because within the expression the plus plus is happening, and within the expression this integer divisor is happening. This also says x is undefined because within the expression this value is getting changed. That's why this doubts this as a warning. Okay, but now with this kind of program you can practice increment and decrement operators. You can make longer expressions and try it yourself. Okay, so operators and expressions have their own magic.
Please like, share and subscribe.